In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom location in Instagram. Whether you're showcasing a new business or just having fun with personalized locations for your photos, this step-by-step guide will help you create a custom location to meet your needs. First, let's talk about why you might want to create a custom location. Personalizing locations can enhance interaction with your posts, whether you're promoting a business or just adding a unique touch to your social media presence. Creating a special spot on Instagram can also make it easier for others to find and engage with your content. Now, to create your custom location on Instagram, you'll need to connect through the Facebook app, since Instagram pulls location data from Facebook. So, make sure you have both apps installed, and you're logged in with an account that manages business listings, if applicable. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your smartphone. At the top of your screen, you'll see a section to write a post. Tap this area, and then click on Check In. This is your first step in adding a new location. Once you're on the Check-in page, you'll find a search bar. Enter the name of the location you wish to appear on Instagram, and if it doesn't pop up, this confirms for us that we can go ahead and create it. Next up, after you've searched for your desired name, you'll notice an option saying Add your location name at the bottom of the list. Go ahead and tap that. Now comes the part where you tailor your location. Facebook will prompt you to choose a category. This is essentially where you decide what sort of space this will be registered as, be it a business, a landmark, or whatever suits your requirements. Once you've selected the appropriate category, tap the Create button, and you'll be prompted to enter specific details like the physical address. After entering the address, you can refine the accuracy by adjusting the map to pinpoint exactly where you'd like this location to be. This step is particularly useful if you're creating a marker for a new or hard-to-find place. After pinpointing, be sure to tap Save. With this done, your new location exists on Facebook and will link seamlessly to Instagram's location options, too. It's worth noting that it might take a short while for the newly created location to become available on Instagram, so a little patience might be required. Finally, head over to Instagram, and as you upload a new photo or story, tap to add a location. Search for your new custom location, and if everything is set up correctly, it should appear there for you to select. Now your pictures, videos, or stories will showcase this brand new spot. Remember, this location can be used by others, too, so if you're promoting a business, it might help attract more attention. And there you have it. A personalized location for your posts, easily managed through both Facebook and Instagram.